Hey there, I'm Frank Mitchell. On this channel, it's all about helping you understand your car and keeping it running the way it should. Whether it's routine maintenance or solving those tricky problems, I've got you covered. If you find this useful, give the video a like, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to watch till the end. You might learn something that saves you time and money. All right, let's get started.
The government has just announced a new measure to encourage the purchase of electric vehicles, an initiative highly demanded by the sector. The high price of zero-emission cars is one of the reasons that, at least in Spain, stops drivers from opting for this type of engine. What type of cars are affected by the IRPF deduction? From June 28, 2023, buyers of electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids will be able to deduct 15% of the money paid in their respective personal income tax returns, a measure that is in line with the right direction according to the voices of the automotive industry. Who can benefit from the IRPF deduction on the purchase of an electric car? This much celebrated initiative, which, according to the government, comes to counteract the delay of the autonomous communities in granting and paying the money from the MOVES plan, can benefit individuals, but they must meet the following requirements. The MOVES plan subsidies for the purchase of electric vehicles are managed by the autonomous governments and sometimes take more than a year to become effective, so drivers have to continue to assume the total purchase price of an electric car at first. In addition, this type of subsidies are considered capital gains, so they have to be declared in the following year's income tax. Requirements to deduct 15% of personal income tax on the purchase of an electric car. Used electric cars are left out. Within the requirements or conditions that accompany this measure, the first of them is that this 15% does not apply to the total purchase price of the car. The maximum base on which this percentage can be applied is 20,000 euros, so that the total tax relief will be a maximum of 3,000 euros. On the other hand, this measure will only be applicable to purchases of new vehicles, which leaves out all second-hand electric cars. This condition affects those buyers who want to bet on this type of vehicles, and that are not few, since the second-hand market is very competitive in price and immediacy, two factors of weight in the decision to purchase an electric car. Until when can the purchase of an electric car be deducted in the income tax return? It will be possible to include the purchase of the vehicle in the tax return up to 2 years after it has been made effective, and for the time being, the measure will be extended until the end of 2024. No further details were given at the Council of Ministers where the initiative was announced, pending its official entry into force. In conclusion, while the purchase of electric vehicles can indeed offer potential tax deductions, it's essential to understand the specific conditions that apply. Factors such as the type of vehicle, its intended use, and local regulations can significantly influence eligibility. As you consider making the switch to an electric vehicle, be sure to consult with a tax professional to maximize your benefits and ensure compliance with all requirements. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you make informed decisions about your next vehicle purchase.